These units are made in China and sold on Amazon. All of the units use environmentally friendly R32 refrigerant and 115-volt power, but they have a very minimal guarantee. They are Wi-Fi enabled for control through their smartphone app as well as with the remote control. The units have a 3-speed fan but only manually operated louvers, which does not do as good of a job of circulating the air throughout the room. The Fenestra models are available in 6 sizes from 5,000 to 14,000 BTU, and they have a 10.9 EER efficiency rating. They use standard compressor technology and have a noise rating of 54 decibels, while the Miri models use state-of-the-art inverter compressors and have a 42 decibel noise rating, which is roughly equivalent to the hum from a refrigerator. All of the units use a basic washable filter which does not do much to keep the coil clean or to improve the room's air quality. Shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store.